These are the instructions for Workplace 7A, Roll 5. Each pair of players needs their math journals, 2 dice numbered 1 through 6, 2 dice numbered 4 through 9, 1 die numbered 0 through 5, and 1 Roll 5 record sheet to share. So we're going to start out this game by rolling a 1 through 6 die and a 4 through 9 die. I did that for us already. Then I multiply the two numbers together to find my target number, and that is 21. So each player would record the 21 at the top of their record sheet right here. The next thing we do is toss 5 dice. So I did that already, and this is what I got right here. Each player then records the 5 numbers rolled right here in this space. They both use the same numbers. And I listed mine from least to greatest. You might choose to do that or not, doesn't matter. So the object of this game is to use the 5 numbers that you rolled in an equation so that you get the target number. You must get the target number, otherwise you can't score any points. You're going to use your student journal to write down your work because you're going to need to do some trial and error probably to come up with a good equation so that you get 21. Here is how you're going to score points. You're going to get 1 point for each digit you use, and you can only use each digit one time. So I couldn't use a couple of 5s, for example, because I only rolled 1 5. Another way to earn a point is to use multi-digit division, where the divisor, and that's the number you're dividing by, is 2 or more digits. And you can also score a point for using fractions or decimals. So I went ahead and created a couple of equations so you could see how to score them. For this one, I used this equation right here. And if you remember your order of operations, you know that you're going to do the work inside the parentheses. So we have a 9 right here. The next thing would be our multiplication, and that would give us 30. So 30 minus 9 is 21. So in this equation, I used 4 of the digits that I rolled, so that's 4 points. I did not have any multi-digit divisors going on, and I didn't use a fraction or a decimal. So 4 points would be the score for this person here. So let's give them 4 points. Now let's look at the other one. For this one, and let me make it a little bit bigger so you can see, I started out with 6 over 3, 6/3, you might like to say, better. And I was able to use all 5 digits, so that would give me 5 points. Again, I did not have a multi-digit divisor, but I did use a fraction. So, and if you'll remember your order of operations, once again, you remember that you do multiplication before you do addition. So we would go ahead and multiply here. 6 over 3 is 6 divided by 3, which is 2. So 2 times 8 would give me 16 here on this side. And then 5 times 1 would give me 5. And 16 plus 5 is 21. So this person got 6 points. So let's give them 6 points here. And you would just continue. Go ahead and roll the 5 dice again for get your target number first. Roll the 2 dice first to get your target number. And then roll the 5 dice to get the numbers you're going to work with to form your equation. And just keep going like that. Make sure you use your student journal to write down your thoughts. You're going to try to go as quickly as you can. Once you get 4 rounds completed, You're going to total up your scores, and the person with the highest score wins.